Hello, this is JB, and welcome to your sleep story, The Coffee Shop. So let's get into your favorite sleeping position. Make sure you're comfortable. Close your eyes and slowly imagine yourself just melting into the bed. Now let's go to your breathing. Slowing down the heart rate, and let's take some nourishing breaths together. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Last time, breathe in, breathe out. Keep that rhythm going, letting each breath come naturally without effort. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. So today, we're going to go on my weekly afternoon trip to the best coffee shop in town. We will take in the sounds of just chilling out in my favorite hangout, and let's see what happens. Remember how you felt in a coffee shop? When's the last time you went? Well, here we will find out again how you felt and what it brings back, good memories, everything else. So let's dive right in. So here I am at the coffee shop, pushing the door open. I'm surrounded with people and make my way in. I'm standing in front of the counter. Oh wow, so many things to choose from. Do you often just not know what to order? Well, that's me every single week. I call it the too much choice dilemma. So should I get the low fat or the high fat? Oh, come on. They're all high fat, aren't they? Hot or cold? Gently herbal or full steam ahead rocket launcher espresso? Large or small? Takeaway cup or china mug? So many decisions. Or should I get, oh, sorry, I'm still deciding. You go, no, go ahead in front of me. I'm sure she knows what she wants. Unlike me. Can you believe I come to this place once a week and still can't decide? It's like my little treat. coming out in the afternoon and sitting here in this busy little shop. And it really is busy. There's hardly a table for me to sit down and open my laptop. Ooh, there's one. Let me put my bag down before someone else nabs it. I'm sorry, excuse me. Just want to get past. Sorry. Thank you so much. Just want to get that table. Table secure. Right. Back to the decision making. But there is something so comforting about this busy little coffee shop that I really love. Because it's so busy, that is what makes me feel at ease. I don't mind the hustle and bustle. I don't mind the clanging of crockery. I don't mind the barista shouting my name out as if the world was going to end. JB! Everyone looking at me and thinking about what I ordered. So what if I got a decaf latte with coconut milk? I mean, come on. That is a delicacy. That's what I like. Don't judge me. I don't even mind the constant banging of that coffee filth thingy. They always bash so hard. Question: why don't they just take out the used coffee with the spoon anyway? The many wonders of the modern coffee shop. Not like the totally civilized decorum of the tea shop down the road. But there is something magical about being here. No two afternoons are the same. So I think I'll be racy. Yeah, right. I'm gonna get my normal drink. Boring, I know. But the barista always gives me a smile when I order it. I think he thinks it's a little more to think about than just a plain old espresso. Oh, hi. Yes, I'll have a decaf latte with coconut milk. Thank you. Yes, my name is JB. So I go and sit down and wait for them to scream out my name, as usual. I open my laptop and see if I can connect to the Wi-Fi. Oh yes, I've been here many times. So my laptop remembers it like if I was at home. I could imagine the laptop is probably saying, "Not here again." And to that, I reply, "No, I like it here." Oh yes, hi, yes, that's me. Yes, JB with the decaf latte. Yes. sitting down and taking that first sip, it's heaven. Oh wow, I look out that big window and see all those people passing by. I'm sure they wish they could be sitting here enjoying a lovely drink like this. Well, I feel very lucky to be here. After all, it's my treat. I may even get really racy and get myself a cake to go with this amazing elixir. I have my laptop open, but it's not really doing anything. It's just like a prop, you know, making me look like I'm busy while I'm busy looking around. Taking in the sights and the sounds of this place. Ooh, and don't forget the smells. Coffee smells amazing. And even if I am only drinking decaf, it still smells the same. I see a few familiar faces. They're trying not to look back at me. Probably thinking the same as me. Hey, I come here to relax and to be anonymous for a few hours. Well, I'm just enjoying my space, enjoying my time. My little dose of me time. Sometimes I come with friends. But I really enjoy this shot mostly by myself. So I come back each week to relax. I just enjoy my drink and I enjoy this time away from everyone, yet still around everyone. Funny that. I just love this place. So I've finished up my drink and it's time to go. Closing my laptop, putting my prop away in my bag. I put my empty cup in the bin and push the door once more. Time to make my way home. See you later, coffee shop. Same time next week.